Today's topic is the byte objects versus the strings in the Python. So, what are the byte objects, right? The byte objects are the sequences of the bytes. They are in a machine readable form, so it is really easy to read it, and they are directly stored on the disk. While we talk about the strings are the sequences of the character, and they are in a human readable form, and they need to get encoded before they get stored in our disk. So the thing is, the byte object and the string, they are really similar in the Python 2, but in the Python 3 they are been differed, and they literally are differ from each other. The byte object is much more like a Unicode object. So let me show you about the encoding and the decoding. That first we are going to encode it, right? So we have a string over here and a byte object over here. So we are going to use an SD mapping over here to encode our string, and after that we are comparing them. If our encoded of the string is equal to the byte object, then we are printing that encoding is successful. Else we are printing that the encoding is unsuccessful. So as you can see it over here, our string is ABCD, while the byte object is the conversion of that and the ABCD. So after that we are using an encode method which is going to encode our string one into the ASCII formation, and we are storing them in the X, and after comparing them we get it as an output that encoding is successful.